my month-end reporting engine, as I call it, which is the one that saved me and still saves me 8 hours a month, every month. So this was the framework that I used going into this build. So as I said, really going into this, the key principles were I wanted it to be achievable. This was not a project that I wanted to have a high learning curve for anyone, myself included, right? So yes, there are all kinds of software systems out there that you can get for specialized purposes. And if your purpose matches exactly what they do, fantastic. But I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that most people in accounting and finance are not known for their super flexibility, and that we often want the data that we want in the way we want it and as fast as possible. When the review process is done, these are actually the end steps. So these are script buttons, and you can see once I've reviewed everything, I've actually unlinked the script button so that I don't accidentally press it here. But the idea is all I do is press this button and it PDFs exactly the sections and pages that I have asked it to set up and drops them in the exact folder I want them in. So in terms of what the overall goal is and output for this reporting engine, here's where it saves the time.